Welcome to another video. Today's video topic is how to create Desaturated cinema effect for your photo in Lightroom. First, go to the basic section. Increase tint to +14. Reduce the contrast to -23. Now reduce the highlight to -32. Increase shadow to +37. Reduce white to -26. Reduce black to -35. Increase the texture to +46. Increase clarity to +63. Now reduce vibrance to -21. And then reduce the saturation to -40. Next, click on the tone curve section. Click on the point curve drop down box. From here, click on strong contrast. Then click on the effect section. Reduce the post crop vignetting amount to -25. Increase the midpoint to 69. Now your photo look like desaturated cinema effect. Thanks for watching the video.